Hello, this is Poonam Shukla. You are on first year 0 to 8, and this is my ninth database lab experiment. And this is here I have to use I have to create database objects like index and sequence. And index basically it's a type of pointer. Here by using index I can easily retrieve or search value from the database. And yeah, and so and sequence is automatically incremented value. It will automatically increment, and it's a shareable object. And if my sequence number, it's easily to search a sequence number if it's present in cache memory. So now I'm gonna explain my queries to you. So my first query, it's creating an index on the city column of customer database. So here just I have to create an index. So my syntax is create index, an index name. I1 is my index name on customer table, and column name where they're asking me to column means insert column name. So if I'll run it, so yeah, sorry, so it's already been created, so that's why showing the name is already used by existing object. So yeah, and for second experiment they're asking me to create in the same thing index but on different ID, order ID. But the thing is here I'm creating index on my order ID. So order ID is already a primary key. If I'll create an object on this, sorry, index on this column, so it will show that it's already such column already indexed. So it's already is indexed when I was creating my table. So that's why showing that such column list already indexed. And now my third is my third is a composite index. Composite index is nothing. Here I have to create at the same time index on two columns. So now I'm going to show my query, my solution for this query. It's like simply creating and this my index on product is my name on product table, and product ID and product description. They're asking me to create index on 2. So if I'm running it, index already created. So now I'm gonna go for my second. So my fourth query, it's a functional query. So now I have to create my functional query. So functional query its syntax is a little bit different, not much of a difference it's here. It's just a simple, I have to create the same query like creating an index name on customer. But here I'm using my key up, means two types of keywords are there, upper key and a lower key. So here they have asked me a question. I have to use the uppercase, so that's why I am using uppercase over here. For here I'm using uppercase, so uppercase and then the column name. So that's how I'll create my function index, and now it will show it's created. See, it's created. And now they are asking me for bitmap. For bitmap it's the same thing what we have done for other index, but here the first keyword we have to add bitmap, and the rest of other things are same. So here bitmap, it's basically checking if only one or two values are present in that column. So that's why I'm getting my bitmap index on gender, and if I'll execute them, so it should show like index is created, but this is a 10G oracle, so this feature is not not enabled. It will show that. So yeah, and now here comes to sequence. So sequence is nothing, it's just a yeah, and for sorry, and for my sixth question, they are asking me last created index, you have to drop it. So for drop, we have syntax like drop, yeah, drop index and index name, simple. And you can alter also index, and you can delete drop it, and these type of functions are available for index. And for sequence, you have to just create a sequence name, this sequence name, and then here you are it's a kind of a auto increment for a but for a particular column. So it's a unique value. It's incremented by unique value by using sequence. So here by increment, so for how much you want to increase, for next value by how much you want to increase, so that's by increment by, and how much you want to start. So what value you wanted to start, so by this value it will start, and max value with up to which it can go. So 999, I'm just giving this value it can contain, and these two keys are also available, like not in a cache memory or in cache memory, no cycle or cycle, and so I'm giving no cache and no cycle. So now I'm gonna run it, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, my sequence is correct in created now. Now I'm gonna insert my value, and I'm gonna show you how it's incremented. Running my statement. Now I have inserted my values and all. This one I change my value over here for my date. I'm gonna run it. Yeah, my rows it got inserted. Now I'll show my order one table to you. Now you see, this is 101, the last value. After creating sequence, it's increasing by 100, and the first value is 109. So 109 first value. Again it's increasing by 209. Again it's increasing by yeah, because 109. Yeah, that's how the sequence it's working, and now you don't have to memorize or the ID whenever you enter the value. So that was my 9th Dbms Lab experiment. Thank you.